In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Facebook story with multiple photos. Here you can select multiple photos on your Facebook story and add your preferred music to it. So if at the end of this video, you found this real helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to add music to Facebook story with multiple photos is open the Facebook application just like this. Now click on your story, that is create story. Once you click on that, select the photos you want to add. Select multiple photos, click on select multiple. Then go ahead and check photos you want to add to your Facebook story just like this. Then once you selected that, click on the next button. Then either use separate story, photo collage, or clip mashup. In this case, let's go ahead with photo collage. Then this is going to create collage just like this. Now to add this multiple photo to your story with music on Facebook, click on this sticker icon at the top right. Here, locate music. This icon, I click on that. Now you want to select the music you want to add to your story from the available music here. You can also search for your favorite artist or click on see all to see all the available music for you that you can use as added music to your Facebook story. Then let's say you select this, then you should say the story added to your story like this, and you can drag and drop this music to your preferred location just like this. Then once you're done, click on the share button. There you go. Now come back to your story here and click on it. Then you should see the Facebook application trying to create your story with the multiple photos selected and the music you selected. Now once this is done, you should see the music playing just like this, and this is the story you created with the music you added to the story on your Facebook story. So this is how you can easily add music to Facebook story with multiple photos. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.